Here, in this video, we are going to create this twisted or folded money bills in Photoshop. This will be useful to give mock-up or realistic type effect to any paper items like flyers, posters, newspapers, etc., which is difficult to create online if you want a customized effect. With Photoshop open, first we have to get the front and back part of the money bill. You can find it easily on Google. But if you don't, let me know in the comments below. So after getting both parts, let's make sure they are of same size. If there is any extra parts, crop it out and make sure they are properly aligned. And the front part is on the top. Let's create a copy of this and keep the originals as backup. Now make sure the front part layer is active. Now go to the rectangular marquee tool. Now with the rectangular marquee tool, let's select this portion of the front part of the note and create a mask on it. Make sure the selected part is hidden. If not, then press Ctrl or Command plus I to invert the mask. Now with the masked layer and the back part layer both selected, convert them to a smart object. Now with the move tool, click any one of the handles, right click and select work, after which this mesh appears on it. Let's move its edges like this and you can see the back part is visible here, which makes it realistic. So now let's finish warping it. You can see that here we can see the front part in the twisted effect and here we can see the back part, which makes it look like a real twisted money note. Now let's add the background to it. Now let's create a new layer and let's rename it to shadow. Now select the brush tool and make sure its opacity is less than 10. And now let's make a shadow of this twisted part to make it look more real. To do that, press Ctrl and click on the layer thumbnail of the front part, which selects it. Now our shadow will not go outside this money note. So let's complete the shadows. Now select the layer, double click it and add a drop shadow to it. Decrease its opacity a little. And now to adjust the drop shadow, right click on it and create a layer of it. Press OK and add a mask on this shadow layer. Now let's remove the extra shadow part which is visible on the sky area. Now one thing we can add is a curves adjustment layer. Let's clip it and now while pressing Ctrl, click on auto, which opens up this correction options. Now select the fine, dark and light colors and then we'll select the shadows, midtones and highlights from this image. Now let's create a merge copy of all the below layers and add a camera raw filter to it. Also we can add the other details whichever we like according to the need, but this is it. I know you have enjoyed this, so don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share your edits with me by following my socials. Links are in the description. Until next time, keep watching Haynes Graphics.